This one fruit reverses muscle loss in seniors and rebuilds strength. Like you're 40 again. Have you noticed yourself feeling weaker as the years go by? Maybe lifting groceries feels harder than it used to. Or you find yourself losing balance more often. Even if you eat fairly well and stay active, your body might still be getting weaker. But here's the truth. This isn't just normal aging. It's a silent condition that's stealing strength from millions of older adults every day, and its name is sarcopenia. By the time you're in your 70s, sarcopenia can reduce your muscle mass by up to 50%. And that's not just inconvenient, it's dangerous. It increases your risk of falls, fractures, disability, and even early death. In fact, a study in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found that seniors with sarcopenia are over 3 times more likely to suffer a fall and twice as likely to end up in the hospital. Worse still, this condition often begins silently in your 40s or 50s, long before you ever feel the effects. But here's the good news: sarcopenia is not inevitable. Groundbreaking new research shows that certain fruits, yes, fruits, can actually slow down and even reverse muscle loss. And there's one fruit in particular that scientists are calling nature's anti-sarcopenia pill. So stay with us, because in this video, we'll reveal the top 5 fruits that can help rebuild your strength, restore your energy, and keep you independent, at any age. And when we get to number 1, we'll reveal the fruit that's been shown to increase muscle mass by up to 30% in just 12 weeks. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments where you're watching from. And if you're passionate about staying healthy as you age, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more science-backed tips. Let's get started. Number 5. Watermelon, your circulation supercharger. Watermelon isn't just a refreshing summer treat, it's a powerful ally against muscle breakdown. That's because it's packed with citrulline, an amino acid that gets converted into arginine, which helps your body produce nitric oxide. What does that mean for your muscles? Nitric oxide expands your blood vessels, improving circulation and delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscle tissue. Better circulation equals faster muscle recovery. In a 2020 nutrient study, older adults who consumed citrulline showed 22% more upper body strength after just 8 weeks. Watermelon is also rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation, a key factor in age-related muscle loss. Seniors with higher lycopene levels were found to have greater muscle mass and strength. How to eat it? Enjoy fresh, raw watermelon cubes. For a boost, try blending it into a smoothie with lime juice and a pinch of sea salt. Eat it earlier in the day, especially before light exercise, to improve blood flow and muscle performance. 4. Blackberries, small fruit, big protection. Don't let their size fool you. Blackberries are muscle defenders. They're loaded with polyphenols, especially anthocyanidins, which combat oxidative stress, a major but often overlooked cause of muscle breakdown. As we age, our bodies produce more free radicals, which damage muscle cells. Without enough antioxidants, muscle tissue deteriorates faster. One study in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle found that older adults with higher polyphenol intake had 34% better muscle function. Blackberries also contain vitamin C, crucial for collagen production, which keeps your muscles, joints, and tendons flexible and resilient. How to eat them? Raw and fresh is best, but frozen blackberries work too. Add them to Greek yogurt, smoothies, or overnight oats. Just aim for at least 4 servings a week for consistent benefits. 3. Avocados, healthy fats for strong muscles. Yes, avocados are a fruit, and a powerful one at that. They deliver a potent mix of monounsaturated fats, potassium, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory compounds. These nutrients help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build new muscle. A medium avocado contains more potassium than a banana, helping with muscle contractions and cramp prevention, and its magnesium content helps activate vitamin D, further supporting muscle strength and mobility. A study in Age and Aging found that older adults with higher magnesium intake had better walking speed and lower risk of muscle loss. How to eat it? Mash half an avocado onto whole grain toast, or toss it into salads and smoothies. Stick to half an avocado daily. That's all you need for major muscle benefits. 2. Tart cherries, for recovery and rest. Tart cherries, especially the Montmorency variety, are rich in anthocyanins, melatonin, and quercetin, a trio of powerful muscle-protecting compounds. They fight inflammation and support muscle repair. In a study from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, Seniors who drank tart cherry juice for 12 weeks had 15% stronger muscles and less soreness. They also help improve sleep quality thanks to natural melatonin. And when you sleep better, your body releases more growth hormone, which is key for muscle regeneration. How to eat them. Look for unsweetened tart cherry juice and drink 8 to 12 ounces per day. Dried cherries are an option too. Just make sure they're unsweetened and organic. Number 1. Prunes, nature's anti-sarcopenia pill. If you're only going to eat one fruit to fight muscle loss, make it prunes. These dried plums are rich in chlorogenic acid and boron, a mineral that helps regulate testosterone and estrogen, two hormones critical for preserving muscle mass as we age. A 2022 study in Nutrients found that older women who ate 5 to 6 prunes daily for 6 months had better muscle function, stronger grip, and lower inflammation. Prunes also improve the communication between bone and muscle systems, which is crucial because weak bones lead to weaker muscles and vice versa. They also deliver potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all vital for muscle contraction and recovery. How to eat them. Soak 4 to 5 prunes in water overnight and eat them in the morning with protein. You can also chop them into salads or add them to oatmeal with cinnamon. Bonus section: 5 muscle-building foods beyond fruit. If you want to supercharge your results, add these 5 powerful muscle foods to your weekly routine. 5. Greek yogurt, high in complete protein, calcium, and gut-friendly probiotics. Great after workouts or before bed. 4. Eggs, nature's perfect protein with choline and vitamin D. Ideal for breakfast. 3. Fatty fish, salmon and sardines provide omega-3s that reduce inflammation and boost workout benefits. Number 2. Lentils, plant-based protein packed with iron, magnesium, and fiber. Add to soups and stews. 1. Chicken breast, lean, high protein, and rich in B vitamins, the gold standard for muscle recovery. Now it's your turn. What have you noticed about your strength as you've gotten older? Are you already eating any of these muscle-saving fruits or foods? Which one are you excited to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to rebuild strength and feel powerful in your body again.